I will show you now a few life hacks that you can use just to alleviate your low back pain, your pubic symphysis pain, hip pain during pregnancy, especially in the second and third trimester. First of all, I will show you how you can adjust your sleeping position in order to feel more comfortable. For this purpose, I have here a few pillows, and I will going to lay down. So the best to use a little bit thicker, firmer pillow for your legs and place it between your knees. This will save you a lot of low back pain and hip pain, especially when you're in the second and third trimester, quite a lot of complaints for that. Now for your belly, it's optional. Some women feel they don't need it, but some women feel they do need some belly support. So you can also put under the belly a little bit thinner pillow. Maybe I would need to change these two, the bigger one under my head and the thinner one under my belly. So this would be quite comfortable position to sleep in. If you have a special breastfeeding pillow that is adjustable or those long pillows that are available in the market, of course you can use it as well. Now I will demonstrate you an example for a special support belt. There are very different ones in the market. You can do your research, see which is more suitable for you. This particular one is for low back pain and also for pubic symphysis pain, although for pubic symphysis you sometimes need to get a little bit more specific belt that is holding you around the hips. Just for a small demo, I will put it around my waist. So usually it's something like this. You put it around your waist, and then there is, oh, I think I put it the wrong way. You need to get used to them first. So usually you would have a belly, take it around and support. All right, these are quite soft. You adjust them high, lower. They usually come in different sizes, and sometimes they also come with a strap above your belly. I usually recommend to my patients these kind of belts when they really struggle with their everyday activities, especially if you live in a warmer country and it's summer, your pregnancy is during the summer, because these might be quite warm, remember that. But if you really need that low back support, especially in the end of your pregnancy, these are great ways to help you out to make through last months of the pregnancy.